Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So on this tutorial in particular, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making another phone background. So what you want to do is go over to Format and you want to place in via pixel the size of your phone screen. So we're also going to go on to the Render tab. We will go to Cycles, change this out. We're going to go 7 to Heaven. Get rid of the default cube. And what we're going to do is go to View, Active View, Camera to View. So we've got a view straight over the top. We're going to Add, Plane, scale this out so it's just outside of the camera view. And what I'm going to do is let's go to Add, UV Sphere. If you can hear that noise in the background, that's my dog playing. Let's go to Shade Smooth. What we're going to do, go to Material, and we'll go New. Let's go from Principled BSDF to Glass BSDF. And what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to place these little balls all over the place. So what I'm going to do as well is just put this sideways. Okay, so let's go with this one being on the side just here. We'll have another one coming out just at the side here, just on the side. Bring this down. And what I'm going to do, take the center one, I'm just going to offset it just slightly. We're then going to take another one, shrink this down. And we're going to place G onto this side, G onto this, oh yeah, G onto this side. Let's go Shift D. And then we're going to go ahead and just place these at the back, just as such. So, with this background in particular, we're going to go New, and we're going to change this to blue. So when we render this, we should have something like this. Do you mind not ripping your oh, don't rip that. Come on, leave it be. He's ripping his toys. Right, so I'm just going to put the lighting up a little bit as well. Let's increase this exposure. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip the light downwards. So let's go G, and we'll just move this down. So we've got these nice little shadows going on from that. And what I'm going to do is, let's go ahead and just change this glass out just a little bit as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn the roughness down. So now we've got these nice little glass balls on the side. We could also go ahead, take one of these, move this up, shrink it down. And we could just go ahead and, I'm just going to press G again, sorry, not F. Let's go ahead and just move this here, and then we're going to go Shift D, move this around here-ish. So we've got that nice little offset right there. Shift D, move this up. And press G, move this across. Shift D, move it across. And we'll just go down to here. And then maybe we could do another one just in the middle. So we've got this nice little light source coming from the side right here. Shift D again. Oops. Oh, gosh. Right, we're going to go G. Bring that across. Right, okay, so I think if we just do this from camera, active camera, we can see what's going on right here. We've got a nice little light source going on there. We've got the nice little glass orbs at the side. Oh, I think what I'm going to do, let's see, is just kind of increase the power just a little bit. Let's see if this works. And then we'll increase the exposure just ever so slightly. And this background will make it a little bit darker as well. And maybe less shine. You could do more metallic if you wanted to. But to be honest with you, I'd probably just leave it at that. Yeah, so that's the tutorial for today. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.